Welcome back, another day, another row, another pack. We're out of the game, like we are every day. Got a day off today, just got the two dogs, Rain and Tammy, but we still do what we do. Being just as busy in lockdown as I've ever been, I guess. Nothing changes for us, so we're still out and about every day. Weather's starting to heat up, but all good. Anyway, glad you could join us. Never know what happens when you walk a pack of dogs off leash every day. So stay tuned, see what happens. I just got the dogs leashed up. I haven't practiced leash walking for a while, but it's good to practice that skill, to know how to use a leash really well. And when you got calm dogs, as you know from my videos, it's very easy to walk dogs on leash or off leash, but it's a skill you should have anyway. You never know when you need to walk a dog on leash, so it's a good skill to have. I just got this leash linked up here, but I use my own leashes, as you know. You can buy these leashes online. They're light, compact, fold up to nothing. I have another 3 of these leashes in my pack, so if I've got 5 or 6 dogs, I can still practice walking a whole lot of them on leash. But practice walking the dog on leash, it's a good skill to know. Make sure that you can walk fingertip control any dog, any amount of dog. It's a good skill to have. But anyway, we're going to carry on. See what happens. I'll let these dogs off the leash soon, but for now we can walk around with the leash on. Sweet. Dogs are standing there. Some people down there. They know those dogs really well. Stay there, Tim. They know those dogs and people down there really well, so they're keen as to go down there, but never mind. We got leash walking practice, so we have to stick to our kaupapa, practice leash walking. And once we finish our leash walking practice, and they don't have to be on a leash for another month or so, or 2 months or whatever, when I remember to do more leash practice again. But anyway, we're going to carry on. Where's your leash? Where's your leash, man? Bring it. Yeah, carry on. Welcome back, another day, another row, another pack. We're out on another walk, just me and the two dogs. give you a bit of close-up of what's happening with the bridge that they're building across the river. Dogs just saw a rabbit taking off after it. I haven't been down here before. But this is it. It's the other side there. The other side of the river. It's not going to be a very long bridge. Never mind. We're going to carry on with our day. Good thing about these dogs, the rabbit runs a certain distance, they won't carry on, they'll just stop. Wow. Used to walk our dogs all through here, up through that bush line up there, down through here. Now this is it. It's the other side of the river. We're going to put whatever. But anyway, I don't think many people see to get this sort of footage of construction because this is all blocked off. You can't really get close enough here. But anyway, we're going to carry on. Motorway up there. Anyway, thanks for joining us. You never know what happens when you walk dogs, pack of dogs off leash every day. We're going to carry on with our day. So for those of you that are interested in the bridge, new bridge going across the river, here's a close up bit of footage of it. Sweet. Go right.